In previous video, I explained how we can perform self-signing option. In this video, I will explain how we can do the other signatory option and what we are giving the features in the other signatory option. To continue with the other signatory option, just click on the other signatory option and click next option. So we are given the multiple feature in the other signatory option. First feature, completion time of the envelope. It's mean if you need to mention the day. So I just mentioned the 5 days. So within the 5 days, all the signatory need to be signed. If after the 5 days, the link will be expired and no one able to perform the sign. Next option is notify the person after the signing is completed. You can mention the email ID of any person that they will receive the notification if the file is already all the sign is completed by the signatories. So I'm just mentioning the email ID. Third, the next option is notify if the document is not signed. The thing is that if some signatory is not signed the document within 5 days, so they will receive the applicant the email ID the person they receive the notification that that particular signatory not completed the sign yet. So I'm just mentioning the mail ID. Next option is log document after the signing. It's mean once the sign is completed and if someone try to modify the document, the sign got invalid. So you can use this feature to log a document. Next option is send password protected signing URL. It means that if when the applicant receives the link for the signing, so before the signing, they need to confirm the OTP just for the security purpose. So just need to click get OTP option and they receive the OTP on their registered email ID. It's mean on the mail ID they receive the link for the PDF signing. Uh, Next option is send reminder if the document is not signed within 5 days. It's mean suppose I just mentioned the 2 days. So when within 2 days, if the applicant is not signed the documents, they receive the reminder in every 2 days. So in the send push notification, the user, the admin who generated the link, they will receive all the notification regarding the sign. And the last option is enable green tick option. If you enable the green tick, the sign will be appear in the green in the PDF. The green mark will be appear in the PDF. If you not want to green tick, just disable the green tick option. I'm just for the now I'm just using all the option. I'm click on the next option. To select a file from a system, just click browse document. I'm just selecting blank PDF. Open. Click on the next. So now if you want to change the name of the file, just use just using test. Click on the next. Now you need to mention the signatory information here. So I'm just mentioning, suppose I'm mentioning test1 as a first signatory. I'm mentioning test1 email ID. Phone number is optional. If you want, you can mention the phone number. Next option, you can add multiple signatory. So I'm adding multiple signatory. So you can add multiple signatory as much you want. So for the now, I'm using the two signatory right for now. And we also given a feature sequential signing. It means if first signatory completed signing, then the second signatory will able to perform the sign. They receive the after first signatory signing, they receive the link for the signing. So just click on the next option. So now you can see the signatories successfully added on your profile. To give the configuration for the signatory, just need to select the configuration option. So you need to set the coordinates for the signatory. So test1, the first signatory will be signed here. The signature will appear for the first signatory, and he signing from he and she signing from the Bhopal region. I'm just mentioning any custom text and signed by test1. Click on the next option. Configuration is saved for the signatory one, means test1. I just mentioned the name as a test1 is for the signatory, and for the test2 signatory, I just need to select the configuration. So he will sign in the right side of the PDF in the bottom section, and he will signing from the Delhi. I'm just mentioning the location testing, custom text, signed by test2. Click on the next option. So the configuration for the both the signatory has been added. Now we need to give the mode of the signing. See, for the mode of the signing, just need to select mode. And for the first signatory, I'm giving the Aadhaar OTP option. They can perform the sign by using the Aadhaar OTP option. And for the second signatory, I'm using the Capricorn eKYC option. So they will perform the signing by using the Capricorn eKYC option. Now I'm click on the submit option. So the mail is sent to the respective signatory. So I selected the sequential signing option. So first the mail will be received to this signatory, satya@idsn.com, test one signatory. So I just need to open the mail. You can check it out if the signatory one has received the mail for the signing, and they also receive the link. So by clicking on this link they can perform the signing. So in the at the time of the configuration, we set that there is an option to send protected link. So I just selected the option to I need to confirm the OTP. Just click on the get OTP option, and the OTP will be sent to the register email ID, means the signatory mail ID. I receive the OTP. I will just mention the OTP here and click on the submit option. So now you are able to see the option to perform a e-sign. To perform a e-sign by the signatory one, just click text document. So the signatory also can check the document file name, test the file name, the mode of transactions. So I selected the mode of a transaction is OTP, and just need to click on the sign document option. So after clicking on the sign document option, the page will be redirected to the Esign service provider. On the Esign service provider, applicant or signatory need to be mentioned their Aadhaar number. Click on the terms and condition, get OTP, click on submit for the e-signing. So the signatory one is successfully completed the e-sign. So if signatory one want to download the signed file, they can download the signed file by clicking on in this tab download signed document, and signatory one can download the signed file, and they can also browse the file. So I check the second mail option, so now the second signatory is also received the mail for the signing. So I just need to click the link, test2, the second signatory name, click on the link. I selected the URL protected link, so I need to verify the OTP. Click on the submit. So the mode of a transaction for the signatory is a eKYC. So the Capricorn eKYC. So I already have a eKYC. So I just mention the KYC ID and click sign document. The page will be redirected to the eSign service provider. But in this page, the applicant need to mention their eKYC pin that should be generated by the Capricorn. While at the time of the eKYC, applicant need to be generate eKYC ID and eKYC pin. So I'm just mentioning the pin. Click on the get OTP. Click on submit for the signing. The signatory 2 is also successfully completed the signing, and signatory 2 is also have a option to download the certificate, download the PDF file. So if signatory 2 wants to download the file, just click on the download signed document and they can download the file. So before going further, I like to show one thing more. So after the signing, every signatory will receive the audit report, basically the signed file report from. So if I just click any report, so if you check the file to test one, the signing, to test one, the signatory name and the IP address, the network IP address, the geolocation, and the date on which date they receive the signed file, they perform the signed file sign, and this for the signatory true also. So for the every successful transaction, they will receive the audit report. And if I go to the portal, from where I initiated the links for the signing. And if I check, so both the signatory completed their sign and is showing the successful signing, signed and showing successful transactions. And if the admin want to share this file, if the just click the share option and mention the email id, on which email id they want to share the file. And to download the file, just click download option. And to preview the file, just click on the preview option. So these are the feature, these are the options to perform the e-sign by using the other signatory option. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.